Hello, my name is Mauricio Cuadros. I'm studying software programming. I like to read. I like to salsa music. I like travel. I live with my family, my wife and my mom and two children. I'm going to talk about a special trip. At the beginning, we, we think to travel to Utria National Park by plane. But when we try to get the ticket, it was absolutely impossible. So we decided to go by car from Bogota to Cali and Cali to Buenaventura. The idea was go to Buenaventura to Utria by boat. But the reality was totally different. We go by really bad bus from Bogota to Buenaventura. When we arrived to Buenaventura, it was totally poor city. It was really a shocking place. We saw the poorest place ever, and finally we arrived the place to get the boat. It was really poor place. We can see that kind of homes. Finally we get the boat to go from Buenaventura not to Vallasolano but to Jurado, and after that we could return from Jurado to Vallasolano. It was really difficult trip. Finally we arrived to Jurado. It was similar to Buenaventura, a really poor place. We returned to Jurado from Vallasolano. She's my wife. I took the photo. When we arrived to Utria National Park, it was really amazing. It was like a paradise. The strange situation is that you could see those images at the same time, a paradise and a totally bad place. We plan to go to Cappadocia in Turkey. At the beginning we could go to Istanbul. It's a beautiful place that my wife want to go. Thank you very much.